The Andaman Islands form an archipelago in the Bay of Bengal between India, to the west, and Myanmar, to the north and east. Most are part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands Union Territory of India, while a small number in the north of the archipelago, including the Coco Islands, belong to Myanmar. The Andaman Islands are home to the Sentinilese, who have had no contact with any other people since recent visitors came. The Andaman Archipelago is an oceanic continuation of the Burmese Arikanyama Range in the north and of the Indonesian archipelago in the south. It has 325 islands which cover an area of 6,408 square meters, with the Andaman Sea to the east between the islands and the coast of Burma. North Andaman Island is 285 kilometers south of Burma, although a few smaller Burmese islands are closer, including the 3 Coco Islands. The 10-degree channel separates the Andamans from the Nicobar Islands to the south. The highest point is located in North Andaman Island is Saddle Peak at 732 meters high. The subsoil of the Andaman Islands consists essentially of late Jurassic to early Eocene ophiolites and sedimentary rocks, argillaceous and algal limestones, deformed by numerous deep faults and thrusts with ultramafic igneous intrusions. There are at least 11 mud volcanoes on the islands. The climate is typical of tropical islands of similar latitude. It is always warm, but with sea breezes. Rainfall is irregular, usually dry during the northeast, and very wet during the southwest monsoons. The Middle Andamans harbor mostly moist deciduous forests. North Andamans is characterized by the wet evergreen type, with plenty of woody climbers. The natural vegetation of the Andamans is tropical forest, with mangroves on the coast. The rainforests are similar in composition to those of the west coast of Burma. Most of the forests are evergreen, but there are areas of deciduous forest on North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Baratang and parts of South Andaman Island. The South Andaman forests have a profuse growth of epiphytic vegetation, mostly ferns and orchids. The Andaman forests are largely unspoiled, despite logging and the demands of the fast-growing population driven by immigration from the Indian mainland. There are protected areas on Little Andaman, Narcondam, North Andaman, and South Andaman, but these are mainly aimed at preserving the coast and the marine wildlife rather than the rainforests. Threats to wildlife come from introduced species including rats, dogs, cats and the elephants of Interview Island and North Andaman.